चीफ मिनिस्टर तेलंगाना को हो गया इन्फेक्शन। बिग ब्रेकिंग, तेलंगाना के चीफ मिनिस्टर केसीआर को इन्फेक्शन हो गया है। वो गुज़िश्ता कुछ दिनों से वायरल फीवर से मुतासिर है। उसी दौरान उनके सीने में बैक्टीरिया इन्फेक्शन से मुतासिर होने की इत्तलात मिली है। चीफ मिनिस्टर के फर्जंद और तेलंगाना के वजीर IT मिनिस्टर KTR ने ये बात बताई है। रियासत तेलंगाना के बच्चों के लिए नाश्ते की स्कीम के आगाज के मौके पर KTR ने एक टीवी चैनल से बात करते हुए कहा है, चीफ मिनिस्टर KCR को वायरल इन्फेक्शन के बाद सीने में बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन हुआ है, लेकिन वो सेहतमंद है। KTR ने कहा कि वो बहुत जल्द आवाम के दरमियान आएंगे। चीफ मिनिस्टर कुछ दिन पहले वायरल फीवर से मुतासिर हो गए हैं। घर पर ही माहिर डॉक्टरों की निगरानी में उनकी क़यामगाह पर ही इलाज किया जा रहा है।
All the candidates that you have announced, you have repeated most of your candidates. Isn't that going to be a problem at the ground level because of the anti-incumbency that would naturally be there?
See, we've made a conscious decision. Our chief minister is a man who keeps his word. He had mentioned this numerous times to our MLAs that we will, repeat their candidatures, and he stood by that. And he's actually, I think repeated almost 90+% of his candidates. And I do believe that ultimately a state election is about who will lead the state, not so much about the candidate per se. Of course, candidate is important, but I think who will lead the state becomes a bigger discussion point. And I believe that people of this state would want to see KCR Garu, continue as the chief minister.
You had mentioned that the chief minister is not keeping too well because of viral fever. Is he better now?
He also unfortunately had a secondary infection, a bacterial infection, so it is taking longer than usual. In fact, his viral subsided and then the bacterial started, and he has some infection in the chest. But he should be out in a day or two.
Okay, so election date's not announced, but you're off campaigning.
Of course, we are first of the blocks, and I think it will also show in the results.
Okay, thank you so much. So best of luck to you. So while